Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain how to admit a lost will to probate in Illinois. So a will has to be filed within 30 days of a person's death in Illinois. The original will has to be filed, not a copy or an electronic copy. If the original cannot be located, the court presumes that the creator revoked the will prior to death. A will can be revoked by being destroyed, torn up, shredded, burned. The presumption that the lost will was revoked can be rebutted by clear and convincing evidence. So that's higher than the normal preponderance of the evidence, more likely than not standard. You have to show clear and convincing evidence, a higher standard, that a lost will was not actually revoked prior to death if you want to probate that will. The court may permit the admission of a copy of the will if all heirs and legatees are in agreement, or if it can be shown by that clear and convincing evidence that the original will was not revoked but is simply lost. So let's talk about a couple scenarios where courts may permit a lost will to be probated. One scenario is where the decedent passed in a house fire, which also destroyed their will. This is a pretty obvious scenario where if you have a copy at your lawyer's office, you can show that the will was stored at the house. There's no reason to believe that the decedent revoked it. Another scenario is where a will was destroyed after the decedent's death. So if you can prove that someone gained possession of the will, someone saw the will after the decedent passed away, and someone else was in possession of it and then lost it or destroyed it, then that's a scenario where you can probate that lost will. Finally, if a will was created and stored by a decedent and you've got strong testimony from maybe a spouse or loved ones that don't stand to benefit from that testimony, that there was no intention to revoke the will, but it just can't be found, that's another scenario where you can probate a lost will. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, please give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We'd also love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.